This is the BAKFlip MX4 Premium Matte Truck Bed Cover. It comes in many different sizes to fit each vehicle, so you just need to check your vehicle and order that exact size. But as you can see, it just tri-folds up like 3 times, and then you can flip it up against the back window if you need it all the way out of the way. This latch will secure it there so that you can just leave it up if you need to drive with your stuff in your truck bed, and then reach in, grab what you need to get, anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and have him remove that side piece that holds it up, and then you can see he's just going to fold it right back down. It latches in at each spot and kind of locks in, but he's going to show you here. There's another strap up here that you can secure this if you just wanted to stay that way with that last panel open so it's not blocking your back window. You can lock that in there, and then we'll go ahead and roll it back out and show you how easy it is. It just kind of like locks in each time you open it, and then it locks down. There's little white parts on the edge. It just kind of locks in each thing, and then you can put your truck bed up, and then as you can see, it's pretty flush with the top of the truck there, and it has that nice matte finish.